welcome back to Reborn Lover, and today we are going to be putting all these contained slimes in different sections into these containers. Now I'm only going to do 2 of them. I did have 4, but I'm only doing 2 of them because 2 will be mixed up. So then that'll be 1, and then that'll be 2, and then I've got a nice spare one, which would be really, really interesting to use. So I'm going to put Juliet down for this so that I've just got my hands free. So I'm just going to pop her in the car seat and just let her sit down. And yeah, she's got her, my mummy thinks I'm the cutest onesie on that I showed you, and then her little jeggings, which I thought were really nice. So first of all, I'm going to put down Juliet's no mess mat. I'm only going to put down a little bit of it though, because I won't be that messy, but I just don't want to get any of it onto my carpet. Yeah. So first of all, I'm going to show you this one. So this one was £2. It cost me. So nice. It cost me £2. So it wasn't an ominous amount, but it was still quite a bit amount. See, some's got a bit dried up, I think. But that's the problem for these not like staying on properly, and that it takes ages just to get one slime out of the pot. So I just got to get it all out the pot. We've got one more like little bit off now. Oh, that'll have to do. I'm not doing any more bits. So here's a really cool one. It's like so holographic. It's really clear and it hasn't broke yet. That was amazing. So like I said, I'm only going up to 12 minutes. I haven't already said in this video, but yeah, I'm going up to 12 minutes. Because yesterday I did a 24 minutes and 54 seconds, I think, on making cakes. And I had to upload it on the computer. Because on my device, it won't let me upload it because the video's too long. So I'm going to try and make it part 2 today. Because the computer went a bit wrong after I uploaded it. So I think they want to sort the computer out, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just poking it into the pot and it don't take up half the room. So I think next I'm going to do this one, and it's cost me £1.50. I have never done this. I love this one. They're all like in little, I don't know how to explain it, different sections, and it's just so good. I love this pink one. You could probably put it all into little sections, but you'd have to like wean it down a bit into thing. This one's got butterflies in, and I cannot put this bit in. I cannot put this bit in. This bit is going away. I'm putting this bit away in the pot because it is my favourite butterflies. If you don't know, my favourite thing is butterflies at the moment. I am in love with butterflies. So anything to do with butterflies, so happy with. So here is that yellowy slime and the pink slime. So I'm going to mould up the pink one and the yellow one, and then I'm going to put one over the top of one and see what it looks like. So I'm only 5 minutes and 20 seconds into the video, so I can't hold off that long. I've got to get the pink one as big now. It's going to be so hard. So I have just put it on top, and I am sprawling out the pink one. You can see the tinted of pink in it. You might not be able to see it that clear on camera. It will break in a minute. I know it will. So nice. I just love that atmosphere with this one. There we go, it broke. This one's just gone quite... It's got a clear effect to it. I just love this one. Did you hear that? So cool. So, I'm bringing out the effect of this one now. The one I've already got. And my other one. And I'm going to sprawl the other one out as much as I can. And I'm going to place that. Get this one packed in as much as I can. Did you hear that? That sounded so amazing. Look at how big that is, and I've still got way more to go. Way more. I love this. Right, so I'm going to pop that in there. And I think I'm going on to this one now. See, they're all on their lids kind of as well. So what's this tree? The middle one. What's this tree? The end one? What's the part in the middle? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but it is to some sort. There's a piece of hair in it. Amazing. I don't know if I can get rid of this one. I don't know if I can mix this one. I'm terrible. I'm not even sure if I can mix this pod. I know I am so terrible. The pod though is just so, you know what I mean, nice. If I can just keep one of this pod, I'll be happy enough. Happy enough if I can just keep one of that pod. Because at least I've then got one clear aspect. So I'm trying to get the clear one sprawled out as much as I can. And again, I'm going to get the base of the other one, put it to one side, and then to try and sprawl out this clear one, but I don't think it is going to happen that quick. Right. I've added it together to, like, you know what I mean, spool it out so it can go over, and I'll be so terrible if it breaks. So I've got about 3 more minutes left until I can go on to part 2. Right, there's one. Yeah. Yes. I can do it. I can do it, guys. If I put that in there, that over, and that up. That looks so amazing. And now we're going to mix it all in. That is so cool now. And that is way dumb. Because that is... And then I'm going to use this other pot for the very last one. Now this one, I haven't even opened out the packet. I know, I'm so bad. When I'm not bad, you know what I mean. Well, you should know what I mean. If you don't, then I don't know what will happen. These are such a nightmare to get off. Cost me £1.50 as well. All of them basically cost me £1.50. This blue one might have to go into storage. I want to make purple. I really do want to make purple. So I'm going to add this blue and pink one together. I need the glittery one thinner. So we've got pink stringed out. And we want to get blue into there. And then we want to like cage it up. And that. You can already tell that that's going to create a big atmosphere. I've got about a minute until I have to go on to part 2. Now part 2 won't be as long, but it will have a bit of a speedy time to at least properly. So yeah, I'm just mixing this to make a really nice purple. So I think this is going to be so cool. Really, really cool once it gets to that purple atmosphere. Did you just hear that big pop? That was so amazing. So, we hope you enjoyed part 1, and we will see you for part 2 in a minute. So, we hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you later. Bye!